Hello, welcome to Mr. Moindi Software Solution here. I've just created an automated business accounting system that will help people who can't afford to hire accountants in their business, or they want their accountant to be balanced and they don't want to spend much in the accountants. So here, what this system does is that this system here, you just hire one person, which may be a secretary, who can do this job, who might not have that much experience in accounting, right? So here, what the secretary is supposed to do here is that she's supposed to record anything, any events that's is happening in the business, whereby when things are being bought, when things are being sold. For example, here I can see here, establishing a business, cash, it's a debit of 1 million. So you're supposed to, when you debit it, you're supposed also to credit it. The only thing when she records something here, she's supposed also to credit that thing, right? Just typing here, and in the chart of account, she's just supposed to type the type of revenue is it, the type of accountant, the balance sheet of it. Here, maybe for example, here she's supposed to, for example, here is a revenue, contra revenue, income statement, whereby they got it from Mr. Johnson, which is a current asset, right? So by just typing also here, the system will automatically generate a trial balance. It will add the name of the, for example, if the guy is Mr. Ken here, Mr. Ken, she just typed that they have bought some inventory from Mr. Ken. You just credited it because it's a credit, and you just open an inventory whereby it will be like a debit in an inventory, right? It will automatically generate your balance here, which is balanced for Mr. Ken. Also, it's also included here. You can see the income statement will be generated automatically. That's by the end of the month. Now you want to do some file returns, the balance sheet will also be generated here automatically, right? See here, it's balanced, and the ledgers will be generated. For example, for Mr. Ken here, which she added, it will generate, you just see it have generated a ledger here. If you want to see the ledger for all those things here, you click here, you then select all of them. To see the way when I'm selecting thing, it will add it downwards. You select all of them, you select all of them, and here you see it's supposed to balance, and it balances everything by just clicking. Your work is just feeding it, clicking. You leave all those calculations for the system to generate, right? So here it's easier for a person to track his accounting balances, whether there is an expenditures, whether it's taxes. Now there is a ledger for taxes here, which the amount which is supposed to pay to the government. You can even add some links here with the KRA, so that it can generate the amount automatically and pay it to the KRA automatically. That's a video. That's another extension that requires a lot of time, but it is possible. You don't need an accountant in this era. So that's the short video for this accounting system that can easily take place of I don't need a real accountant. Thank you.